Hey everyone, big hello to you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these amazing glowing balloons. All that's left to do is turn off the lights. These glowing balloons are really easy and cheap to make. You all will definitely be able to make them. To make these balloons, we will need LEDs and batteries for them. I have these batteries of the following type. A 2V CR23-2 battery. Since my LEDs run on 3 volts. We will also need electrical tape or regular duct tape and the balloons themselves. That's it, nothing more. It's all pretty simple. I want to show you that I have a lot of different LEDs. Friends, there are red ones and green ones. There are many different LEDs, but white LEDs are best suited for any color of balls. For any balloons, I specifically turned off the lights right now to show you. Look, here's a yellow LED. See how it lights up. We can see that it's dim, and the light is kind of orange even. Here's a green LED. It's also dim, it lights up. And here's a regular white LED. It shines much brighter. You see how much light there is. And because our balloon will be colored, the light will be just right. Although in terms of power, guys, the yellow and the other LEDs, as well as the white ones, are the same. This one just shines brighter. How do you make a glowing balloon? We take a piece of tape or a piece of electrical tape. So, we immediately find the edge. We take our LED and our battery. We are looking for the right contact so that it burns for us. If it doesn't burn, we lean the legs, then that means we turn it over to the other side, and now it lights up. Once it's lit, we just take it. And we securely attach these legs with electrical tape or regular tape to our battery. If you press everything tightly, your LED will stay lit constantly. It won't turn off. This is how I do it now, either by myself or with the help of an assistant. Ah yes, the most important thing is that your legs are well wrapped in tape here, so they don't short circuit. The balloon, my legs are well wrapped, the tape doesn't poke, the LED is lit, and now all we need to do is just unwrap the balloon and stick it inside. To make our light bulb, it's also simple. We just take it, we stretch the balloon like this and stick the light bulb inside, pointing forward. This is how we use our battery. I just turned off the light again to show you. Here is our balloon glowing. We take a pump for the balloon and inflate it. Guys, if you want, you can screw in 2 or 3 LEDs here. They will shine brighter, the balloon will glow brighter, but for a shorter time. But I still want to say that that should be enough for the night. You can see here are my 5 batteries with LEDs, with 2 LEDs on each battery. This is how they shine cool, awesome. Look at mine. What do I have left? It's just about taking and inflating our balloons with the pump and tying them with string. See what a wonderful glowing balloon we have? Here are the wonderful colorful balloons we've made. Now all that's left is to turn off the light. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of different videos on various topics, a lot of life hacks, a lot of DIY projects, and manly crafts. Friends, I'm going fishing, and I'm posting about this video. So, subscribe, watch, and like. Good luck to everyone.